Okay, so here is how to select an author for a post, for a blog post. So if you want to assign a post to an author, first of all, the name of the author will have to be a registered user on that website. So you can create the user by coming over here and then add a new user. So once you've done that, you want to go over to post. So you're going to find all the blog posts. So you go to the post. Now, this is a post that you have already created. So a post that is published already. Once you find a published post like this one here, so the quickest way to do it is to click on the quick edit, and then you see author. So you want to click, and then you're gonna choose the author you want to assign this post to. So it's currently set to this name, so I can decide to switch this name, switch to any of them. So yeah, that is how to assign a post to an author, or to attribute a post to an author.